Hey Louisville folks, I just wanted to show you this interesting package unit. I first want to say, if you are a building owner or a construction project manager on any new build and there's HVAC involved, don't run the HVAC system while you're cutting concrete, doing drywall, or anything that's creating really fine dust. This brand new package unit, this is a commercial rooftop unit, is completely filled up with what I believe this is all concrete dust. They did a bunch of concrete polishing in the main floor. I'm going to show in here, this is the ductwork. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. So all of that white stuff is dust from construction. The worst part about it is all of this is you can see the dust coming off of it. Anyway, that is what they call a duct board, or internally wrapped insulation. And essentially there might be companies that can clean it, but oftentimes I've seen it just tear it up. Anyway, that's getting completely permeated with that really fine dust. And I'm going to show you the evaporator, which is a part. This is what the evaporator looked like after filters were taken out. And so the filters had been permeated and completely bypassed, abraded, sandblasted essentially by all of the fine dust that was being sucked through this HVAC system. The return has a bunch of that white fine dust in it too. But the worst part about it is this customer, now whenever the system's going to turn on, is going to blow that fine dust all over his product. This is the front unit, and if you know anything about grocery stores, they usually put the produce and all of their open cases towards the front of the store. So when this system is powered on, it is going to blow all of that fine dust all over their product. And there's not really anything they can do other than unloading everything from their stores, turning the system on, or having it professionally cleaned. But I don't even think that's going to mitigate all of the dust, because the vibration from the HVAC system and the air just traveling through the duct system is going to be continually releasing bits of that fine powder into the ducts, into the airstream. So if you are a project manager, if you are a building owner, and you're doing any sort of concrete grinding or drywall, you need to turn your HVAC systems off. Don't care about your laborers' comfort. I know there are times when you have to have air conditioned for drying drywall and certain applications, but there are certain times when there's a lot of dust being created, that the system needs to be off, that dust needs to be mitigated by other means, and you can't be using your rooftop HVAC systems to do that mitigation for you. There's a lot of different products out there to help control dust on a work site. And if you have any questions about what those products might be, or applications for specific scenarios, feel free to hit me up in the comments, send me an email, text me. I don't care. I'm available. I'm happy to talk to you about it, so that things like this don't happen to you. They don't need to.